What's making a noise here is actually not the struts. We have something called a strut bearing. And inside, you can see the ball bearings are floating around and actually missing some of the ball bearings in here. So what's happening is that when you're moving around and bouncing around, these ball bearings that support the strut are breaking or popping out of this. My Model Y has the same issue. They use plastic strut bearings. In a Lucid, they use plastic strut bearings that make the same noise. In a Rivian, they use the same plastic strut bearings, not the same exact model, but the same idea. That much weight on a car with plastic, this is what happens, it breaks.